This is Richard, and today he'll talk about Your Tutor US's interactive whiteboard. In the upper right corner, you can see the participants in this group class. They can see and hear each other in real time, so they can voice their questions right away should any such arise. As a tutor, Richard will answer them or directly show and explain the answer on the whiteboard. The whiteboard offers a wide variety of tools. For example, in order to write something on the board, he just needs to click on the AA icon. He can then start writing, which everyone else will see in real time. He'd like to show the Ode to Joy. He chooses the straight line tool and chooses the color red. He draws 5 lines and picks a pencil in order to draw a clef. Since the purpose of today's class is to show you how to work with the interactive whiteboard, Richard will show you the rest of the tools as well. Next to the pencil icon, you'll find the rubber tool. With it, you can delete anything from the whiteboard. All you have to do is choose the size. He can delete all red lines or just parts of them. At the top left, there's also a rectangle. Apart from Richard, the participants can also use the toolbar, so the tutor asks one of the students, Dobby, to insert a square. Everyone else can see it too. The toolbar includes an instrument you can use to move items about the board. More tools are located at the bottom, such as zooming in and zooming out. Next to the regular color palette, there's also a color filler. For example, if Dobby had used that tool to adjust the color, the square would be fully colored. Once the whiteboard has been filled up, you don't need to erase everything in order to continue working, like you do in school. Here, you just click the New Page button and a new tab will appear. By clicking on the tab, Richard reveals a brand new board. The whiteboard also supports PDF files, so Richard can upload one by locating it on his computer. Once the file is selected, it will appear on the whiteboard for all participants to see. He can make additional changes to the PDF with the help of the toolbar options. When he uses the line tool, everyone else will see how question number 1 becomes underlined. Moreover, there's a tool for solving equations. It's extremely beneficial for math courses and very easy to work with. You can simply click on the preferred line and use one of the math tools or type directly on the keyboard. The good thing about working with it is that you can insert and remove math indexes without losing time by writing equations with the mouse. Lastly, tutors have access to one more feature. It allows them to quickly upload a pre-prepared studying material for the upcoming lesson. The tutor can then focus on the class itself without having to waste time on menial tasks. Audio files can also be uploaded, which helps make classes even more enjoyable. YourTutor.us is a real time saver because it allows you to attend all manners of different courses without having to leave the comfort of your own home.